When I need an easy, crowd-pleasing breakfast, you'll find me running to my local Price Chopper to pick up Rhodes frozen cinnamon rolls. Today I want to show you how to put a special spin on this sweet breakfast classic. We're going to add vanilla ice cream along with a few other ingredients you have on hand to these frozen rolls. Let's get started on our easy ice cream cinnamon rolls. You'll need 1 package of Rose thaw, rise, and bake cinnamon rolls, 1/2 cup of vanilla ice cream, 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and 1/2 cup of white sugar. Grease a 9 by 13 inch glass dish and place your frozen cinnamon rolls inside. Save the frosting packets, we'll use those after baking. Next, melt your butter and ice cream over the low-medium heat. Add both of your sugars next and increase heat to medium-high. Bring this to a boil for about 1 minute, but be sure to keep stirring and watching carefully. We don't want our sugar to burn. Pour the ice cream mixture over your frozen cinnamon rolls and cover with plastic wrap. Place in the cold oven and let rise overnight. Our hard work is already done. Now that it's morning, take out your beautifully risen ice cream cinnamon rolls and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once your oven is heated, return the rolls to the oven and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. Remove and let cool before adding your frosting to the top. Pour yourself a cup of coffee and enjoy.